One of the most dangerous manipulation tactics is when someone wrongs you, then acts like nothing happened. They'll smile, chat, and behave as if they didn't betray the hell out of you without ever offering an apology or taking accountability. It seems like they just want you to move on, but it's more sinister than this. This is manipulation, a calculated mix of gaslighting, triggering, and confusion to be exact. They want you at war with yourself, so you're too distracted to hold them accountable. And if you do snap, they get to play the victim, so bonus. The key is not to gloss over it or blow up and confront it. As soon as someone like this attempts something like that, as calmly as you can, try this. No hard feelings, but I'm not interested in engaging like this with you given the history of what was done. Then leave it at that and go your own way. It's not rude to protect your peace by refusing to participate in chaos. Boundary up. I hope this helps.